Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Apologies, it's very dark, you might not be able to see me, but hopefully you can see behind the hotel that we're going to today. We're visiting IBIS Budget in Birmingham, part of our new budget hotel series. Now I have stayed in an IBIS before, but there's three different types. There's an IBIS Styles and an IBIS Budget. And I'll be honest, I stayed in the normal one, which I think was supposed to be a 4-star hotel, but it felt very budgety, so only knows what the IBIS Budget is going to feel like. I've also booked into a triple room, purely because it has a very interesting layout that I'm very curious to see. It was also the cheapest as well, which is a bit weird being cheaper than a single with a triple. But anyway, let's go in and check it out.
Yo, it's the Jack's life, pack your bags, let's roll. From first class flights to that budget hotel. Planes, trains, tourist gains, we're on the move. Dropping reviews, making travel smooth. Sky high vibes, tracks down low. Jet set, living everywhere we go. Hit subscribe, take the journey, don't wait. It's a Jack's life, adventure's great.
Interesting blue green. This is us, 3, 2, 1 with the swipey card. It has a very interesting layout, this triple room, and this is the interesting layout. So you have your double bed, which is presumably for 2 of you, and then above is a single bunk bed, which I've never seen anything like that before in any hotel. It kind of looks like something you get in IKEA, and I kind of really don't understand it either, because triple rooms are quite rare, to be honest, aren't they? They're not a very common thing to have a triple room, and if you do, it's typically 3 single beds, because otherwise why would you have a triple? But in this one, you have a double bed, and then so say if you go on holiday with 2 of your mates, what is one of you supposed to, 2 of you supposed to share, and then one's supposed to sleep above? Or is this for mum and dad and the kids? I don't know, but it's interesting. And it's also cheaper than just having a room with a double bed. But anyway, let's look at the rest of the room. There really isn't an ensuite, it's kind of all just a studio. So you get a sink in the corner of your room, which to be fair looks clean and tidy and well maintained. A few paper cups, you do get some hair and body wash, you get your shaver outlets, good big mirrors. Underneath we've got some towels, a little shelf and a bin. Your toilet, thankfully, does have its own separate door. Oh, you just pull. So you have a little tiny hidden away toilet, which looks a bit grotty. And then you just have your shower cubicle here, which kind of reminds me of a caravan. A tiny little plastic, in fact it's fully plastic, like capsule that's just landed. But again, body wash, fairly clean, bit of stain, bit of like wear and tear, kind of okay. Although if you were staying here with 2 other people, would you really be happy with your cubicle door there to your shower, your sink here and your toilet? You'd have to be good friends. So the rest of the room's then pretty simple. Again, another big mirror. To be fair, you are well catered for mirrors. Random plug sockets, presuming that's for the old hair dryer. And then you do have a tiny little workstation in the corner with a little green stool, again IKEA themed. Your little work table, excuse my bag, and then a TV in the corner. I don't know how well the camera picks this up, but they've got these horrible Artex walls. Even down the bottom stone just painted green. Very nasty. Not a fan. Definitely feels a lot like a hostel in here rather than a hotel. If you're enjoying the videos, please do remember to like the videos and hit that notification bell to let you know when new videos are going to pop up. Also, hit me down in the comment if you've ever stayed in an IBIS budget and what you thought of it. And finally, do not forget to subscribe. 70% of my viewers are unsubscribed and it's free to do so. So click subscribe. Oh, just spotted, sorry, this is your wardrobe. So your wardrobe is this 6-inch long rail with the stopper falling off, but you do get a couple of coat hangers. So you do get some little, what's that one, reading light. Doesn't do anything. Is that reading light? Oh, and the main lights come on. Oh, so that's, oh, they will kind of do a few things. And what's that? Oh, that's those lights around the bottom there. If they work. In fact, I think the reason why they're not working is this is a bit rickety. Some loose connections probably. The bed itself though isn't too bad, nice and comfy. It's just a bit weird that you're going to have another person sleeping right above your head. Obviously we're going to have to go for a climb. So what you do get up here again is some control. Well, you get a little reading light anyway. Although it is quite funny because if you put your pillow like that to go to sleep or to lean against, I'm not sure how much reading light you're going to get, but still a little light for you to play with. The mattress is interesting. It's got one of these covers that's like an anti-wee yourself cover, which is classy. Please note, upper ceiling levels comply with safety guidelines. Not suitable for under 6-year-olds. Max weight 120 kilos, so you're only allowed to be up there if you're less than 120 kilos. Not suitable for children under 6, I'm not quite sure with, because surely that's where you're going to put the child, isn't it? But I don't know, each to their own. So I did ask when I was downstairs if they do food. They do breakfast is available, and they do pizzas 24/7 apparently, as well as alcohol. Apparently you order from the bar and you can get yourself a nice drink, maybe a beer and a pizza. I think there's 3 or 4 flavours. It does have a feel of a sort of sixth form common room down there. It's a bit funky and a bit juvenile, should we say. There's a foosball table and some sofas, but for, what did I pay, £38 in the centre of Birmingham? It's not too bad.
It's a jack's life, packed your bags on its roll. From first class flights to that budget hotel. Planes, trains, tourist games, we're on the move. Dropping reviews, making travel smooth. Sky high.